So when we engage with a client, obviously our primary mission is to drive down cost. That's how we earn money. We share the savings with the client. So that's our primary mission. But I always try to look for ways in which we can improve the client's services. And sometimes we find really dramatic ways to do that. So one client in particular that I'm thinking of, they had paid two separate large telecoms to provide what they thought was redundancy in their telecom experience, so that if one of their providers or carriers went down, the other would take over. And of course, both providers swore that that would be possible. And 3 months into a 3-year contract, one of them went down and the other couldn't take over. So when I came along, they were still maybe 18 months into this arrangement, but they were stuck in a 3-year agreement. So when the rest of the 18 months expired, we moved them to a different provider and provided true redundancy and tested and demonstrated that right from the outset. In addition, that client had a satellite office where 911 was returning the wrong caller ID to the 911 service provider. And so if anyone at that office were to ever have called 911, the cavalry would have showed up at the main office. And so luckily that was never necessary during the period of time before we came along, but God forbid if it's necessary going forward, whomever needs the help will get it. So.